Welcome back to Satisfactory, and today we are going to get some copper to our aluminum factory so we can get that going. But I think we can complete this milestone, particle enrichment. Finally, I have enough turbo motors, enough everything. Let's do it.
Milestone reached. The particle accelerator enables previously impossible processes, such as recycling nuclear waste and converting it into plutonium, as well as the generation of exotic matter. A new project part enables progress to the next phase.
Nuclear pasta. Alright, well this stuff we are not going to be messing with for a while, probably. Look at those recipes. Absolutely terrible. Alright. So I made a blueprint for these copper ingots. Let's see. I'm going to be using this alternate recipe, the foundries. 10 copper ore, 5 iron is 20 copper ingots. That'll be good because there's a lot of iron over there in that area. I can borrow some of that. And I don't want to use this one because I don't want to mess with refineries. That's just a lot of power, a lot of space. This one's probably... yeah, the middle one here is probably the best one to go with. I don't think there's enough copper to go with the standard recipe. I'm gonna need... I couldn't write it down in my notes area. But... let's see, do I have all the items? Yeah. So I made a blueprint. I'm gonna need 11... foundries. I have enough items, so let's go. I wrote a note of how much I'm gonna need and all that. I don't have enough room in my notes here on the screen, so I had to write them out. I'm gonna need 1080 copper ingots per minute, which is 10.8 foundries or 11 foundries. And that's going to be 590 copper ore and 270 iron ore. So I think the copper ore I can get from 2 normal nodes using Mark III miners. And the iron won't be a problem at all. Oh, bit of a hiccup. I enjoy the train ride. I get to see my Steel City and modular manufactory. My aluminum factory is going to be the biggest one yet. Once it's finally done. You can see over there, I built a radio tower. Just so I could see the... I thought I heard a train coming. Just so I could see the surrounding area there. You can see all the nodes. Yeah, I'm hearing a train, but I'm in no danger. Yeah, that's gonna be big. Alright, so let's go up here real quick. I've got all my inputs. Copper input set up. Let's turn on the light there. So I know where I'll be sending them. These are temporary signs. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring my copper up here. 260. 260. And 200 here. This third row is gonna be a little bit less. Because, just because the third bauxite node is not a pure node. And same thing over here. 300, 390, 390. And these, it's just going to be one row because there's not very many of them. These are for the casing? Yeah. We don't need a lot of assemblers for these. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 6. And then 4. Okay, so that's where our copper is going. Oh crap. Oh crap. Wow, I must have hit the spacebar right at the last minute because I took almost no damage. I had to switch out to my jetpack real quick. So over here I've just got a real quick setup with concrete and iron plates because I kept running out of that stuff for building foundation, so I just got it going here whenever I need it. So if we look at the map, I've got 2 copper nodes here, and then I can use any iron node will do fine. Let's get rid of this thing. Stop polluting. That's my job. Not enough space, of course. Alright, where do I want to build this thing? It's only 11 foundries, so it's not going to be that big. We have space just right here. Is that enough space? Between the limestone and the iron? I probably should build it down here. Alright, I'm gonna build it on top of this thing. And I'm gonna skew it a little bit. Okay, now these trees are choppable, right? They better be. Alright, I'll chop them later. That should do. Alright. Let's go to the blueprints. Copper ingot alloy. First of all, I need to get power up here so I can use my hover pack. Alright, lock that in place. I want this one here to be right in the middle. Oh, it looks like I got it. Awesome. Build mode blueprint. Looks good. Okay, we got plenty of space there, so... not gonna be a problem. One, two, three, four, five. Alright, I need 6 more. Is that 11? Let's see. That's 11. That's 12. Okay. And that will be 590 copper ore. A Mark V belt will take care of that. That'll be on the bottom. Kinda would have been better if these splitters here were facing the opposite direction. I'm going to be bringing the ore here left to right, which I usually like to do, but in this case I think it would be better right to left, but it doesn't really matter. Alright, now how much iron ore? 270. That is one Mark III belt. Okay, now I'm gonna need conveyor walls. That should work. Oh, it doesn't line up. Well, that's fine. It might line up if I use double conveyor walls. No, that won't line up. Oh well, that's alright. No big deal. I'm never gonna see it anyway, once it's up and running. Alright, now the output, 1080. Ow. $10.80 per minute. And I'm gonna have to combine that and split it in weird ways. I think the best thing to do is just dump it all in a giant double storage container so I don't have to worry about splitting, because I'm gonna have to split this 5 ways. So let's dump it. Wait, which way are these going? They're going left to right here, right? Let's... Yeah, okay. One, two, three, four, 5. And 6. 6 on one belt, 5 on one belt. Gotta get a nice looking angle right there. Alright, now this one... I don't want to bother turning all of these around, so... let's just bring it out from... over here. Is that level? I think that's right. I think that's the level. Hard to tell. Alright, how does that look? Oh, that's the wrong way there. Let's try that again. Well, we can do it this way. Oh, that looks fine. Alright, let's get this ceiling set up so I can hook up this power. Let's get a wall set up. Okay, and I want to use these double wall outlets. They're pretty cool. Hook that up there. And then hook this up to whatever I can find out here. You. Okay, we should have yellow lights across the board. Yep, looks good. Now I can get rid of these. Oop. Alright, now let's bring the goods. Copper is on the bottom. Ah! Where is my copper? There it is. Alright, I'm gonna need to make some more miners. That is equipment workshop. Miner, right at the top. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And this will be... How much copper? I got it written down here. 590. Okay, I could get it all from one miner, I suppose. That would use more power. I'll just do it like this. I'll set these to clock speed 125. Excuse me. And, I'll get my 600 parts per minute. Wait, that's not right. Yeah, that's not quite facing the right way there. And iron node, I can just borrow, well, any of these really. Let's bring it. Yeah, it's got to go. Yeah, that way. Okay. Let me just grab some power from the power tower here. Too long. There we go. All right, we are up and running. I suppose I'll go around these iron nodes. I don't want to interfere with them in case I ever decide to use them. Wait a minute. That needs to be a Mark V. There we go. Alright, now 270 iron ore should be pretty easy. Do I have enough materials to make another tier 3 miner? I do. Let me... What is this? Mark 1, normal. Are these all normal nodes? I think they are. A lot of normal nodes around here. Alright, let's make another equipment workshop. And I won't use that. I'll make a different one. Yeah, I was going to use this node. We got another node right here. Actually, let me use this node for this. It's so close, I might as well. I will need to overclock it slightly. Target 270 per minute. Okay, now this... There's another iron node. Wait. It says I'm standing right on top of one. Is the scanner not correct? Yeah, it says there's one right here. Well, let's try to put a miner there. Yep, it works. A hidden iron node. There we go. Hey, it's working. Okay, these are not working. Oh yeah, because all the iron's being eaten up here. But they'll start pretty soon. Yeah, there they go. Alright, now... I'm gonna need to take two... Oh, this is gonna be weird. I need to get 1080 copper ingots on each floor there. Well, not necessarily. I think just on the middle one there, the top one is less. A little bit less. Yeah, I can't just take like two belts out of here and then split one belt three ways and put it on one floor. I keep forgetting I don't have my backpack. Let me go back up there for a second. I gotta split two belts three ways evenly. Which is really not that hard. But 260... 260 and 200. What I'm curious is, okay, that's one tier 5 pelt. Okay. Okay, that'll work. That makes things a little bit easier. Alright, so I'm gonna end it here, and off camera I'll just build, or I'll get a conveyor belt over here, split it. A couple conveyor belts, 2 conveyor belts. Split them and feed them into these conveyor walls here. And then that should be it. All of these should be running. Now I've got these 2 here just for a reference, just so I know where I need to bring them in. But I haven't built these rows yet at all, so that's still something I have to do. So that is the copper. I just got to bring it up here. Alright, we'll do that soon. Thank you for watching.